You're helpless. That's what it was like for me. It's a feeling of helplessness.
Just a little warning would help.
If you knew what was coming, you could do something. You could protect yourself.
You just never know when it'll happen.
That's what's so scary. You just never know.
And then all of a sudden, bang.
There's no getting around it. We live in earthquake country. But now there's a new technology that can make coping with earthquakes a lot easier. It's called Earthquake Alert. It's the first earthquake early warning system for your home or office. And here with me to help explain this incredible life-saving device is Senior Seismic Inspector Sandy Pringle. Sandy, can anyone actually predict an earthquake?
Not yet, but tests prove that Earthquake Alert can provide us with the first reliable early warning system.
Without getting too technical, how does it work?
The Earthquake Alert detects the seismic waves from the first low-intensity primary waves that precede the earthquake's destructive shear or secondary waves. It sounds the alarm prior to the secondary waves, which bring the actual shaking. Earthquake Alert can give us up to 45 seconds advance warning. It may not sound like much, but it can make a tremendous difference.
It's that precious time that Earthquake Alert can give you to protect yourself, protect your family, get away from glass and falling objects, help you make it through a quake more safely. It could save your life and the ones you love.